Part number 01. Daily conversation about teacher and student. Emily, Baser, I'd like to briefly evaluate your recent academic engagement because I've noticed some subtle fluctuations in your participation.
Baser, certainly, sir. I appreciate the feedback. Could you elaborate on what specifically concerned you?
Emily, your analytical contributions in class discussions have been less frequent, which is unusual given your strong intellectual potential.
Baser, I understand, sir. I've been experiencing a bit of cognitive overload due to multiple ongoing deadlines.
Emily, that's understandable. Baser, but remember that managing academic pressure is an essential part of developing resilience.
Baser, you're right, sir. I'm trying to recalibrate my routine to maintain consistency and mental clarity.
Emily, a structured routine will certainly help, especially if you prioritize tasks according to urgency and importance.
Baser, I've actually started using a digital planner to streamline my assignments and avoid last-minute stress.
Emily, that's an excellent strategy. Organization often transforms productivity and academic confidence.
Baser, thank you, sir. Your guidance always provides me with a clearer sense of direction.
Emily, I'm glad to hear that. Baser, but don't hesitate to ask questions when something is unclear.
Baser, I will, sir. I've realized that withholding questions only limits my intellectual growth.
Emily, precisely. Curiosity is the catalyst of genuine learning and deeper understanding.
Baser, I'll make a conscious effort to participate more actively and contribute meaningfully to discussions.
Emily, excellent. Baser, your dedication is evident, and with consistent effort, your progress will be remarkable.